Four young heroes who keep emerging whenever Mnangagwa loses popularity. The 16th of August 2025, by Farai D. Ho Vertical Bar Analysis, a curious trend has emerged in Zimbabwean politics this year. The repeated appearance of little-known figures suddenly elevated to prominence through dramatic arrests, each coinciding with moments when President Emmerson Mnangagwa's popularity dips. Analysts note that the pattern has turned these individuals into temporary heroes, but also into symbols of controversy. Talent Rooser. First on the list is Talent Rooser, who presented himself as both a professor and lawyer, operating through what he claimed was a South African Lawyers Association. Rooser positioned himself as an anti-corruption whistleblower, often appearing alongside investigative journalist Hopewell Chinono. His public interventions in Zimbabwe and Mozambique attracted media attention, but he was soon discredited as a fraud. His arrest added to the aura of supposed bravery. Maxwell Sangulani Chikumbutso. Next is Maxwell Chikumbutso, better known by his real name, Sangulani. He resurfaced on the 28th of January 2025, shortly after Mnangagwa lost ground politically to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Chikumbutso claimed to have created revolutionary inventions, including free electricity systems and cars that run indefinitely without charging. His narrative gained traction after Mnangagwa himself alleged poisoning and suggested Chikumbutso had been arrested for his technology. Simbarash Mandisvidza. The third figure is Assistant Inspector Simbarash Mandisvidza, a relatively unknown police officer who suddenly emerged as a vocal critic of Mnangagwa. Styled by some as a Jeza hero character, Mandisvidza was portrayed as challenging the president's authority. He too was arrested, though police failed to produce a single photograph from the day of the incident, unusual for such a high-profile case. Emmerson Mnangagwa. Finally, the president himself has appeared in this sequence. Amid claims that Mandisvidza had exposed state weaknesses, Mnangagwa was forced to address renewed scrutiny over his own liberation war record. Critics revisited prosecution documents from Rhodesia, which cast doubt on the long-standing claim that Mnangagwa had been convicted for bombing a train in 1965. Researchers reported that no such record exists under his name. A political pattern. Observers argue that each of these young heroes has surfaced at politically sensitive junctures, giving rise to speculation that such episodes serve as distractions from deeper power struggles within ZANU-PF and the state. While the arrests have temporarily thrust these men into the spotlight, questions remain about whether their stories represent genuine dissent or orchestrated narratives aimed at shaping public opinion.